Welcome, I'm Ian Baker, and if you're watching this video, chances are you have a rack and pinion or through frame slide with an electric motor that is stuck out, and I'm going to show you how to get it back in so you can get back on the road. The first method, and probably the most unlucky, is having to cut a hole in your underbelly, because no matter what methodology we use, we have to be able to get to the electric actuator motor. And if you don't have a quick hookup, which I'll show you in just a second, then that's what you have to do. You have to cut a hole in the underbelly. In order to kind of find where that motor is located, you're going to look for this arm right here, follow it straight across the other side of the RV, come back probably about a foot or so from the frame, and cut a hole there, and you should be in a pretty close location. Now, if you're luckier, the through frame slide system you have will actually have an extension rod that is tied to that electric actuator motor. One of the easiest ways to identify it is you will find that there is a hex nut right here coming out of that frame, and you will usually have a hole, something like this, in the flashing, so that you can take the tool that comes with the RV and be able to put it right in there and attach it to that hex nut. Now, regardless of the methodology you have to use, whether it has the extension, whether you have to cut a hole in the underbelly to get to the motor, with both systems you should disconnect the battery so you don't have any backfeed. If you do have this system, once it's on there, you will actually turn clockwise, and that will slowly but surely bring in your slide. All right, folks, and that is how you manually override a through frame, also known as a rack and pinion slide, with an electric motor. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you do, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you know somebody that can use this video, if they have an RV with that through frame slide, you should definitely share this with them so they can save it in the event they need it in the future. Also, if you like this video, want more how-to and troubleshooting information, be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you can be one of the first to see it as it comes out. Thanks again for watching. I'm Ian Baker, and I'll see you next time.